Good evening guys, and I'm here to show you how to make the origami table. Now I just randomly made this on the coach back from my school trip in Robin Hood's Bay. And sorry that's just my volume. And all you will need is a square sheet of paper. And there might be a couple of tricky folds in it. So what I need to do is I need you to fold it diagonally from this edge going to this edge. So I'll just show you what it's like once you've done that. So fold that diagonally across there. It doesn't have to be exact, but get it as neat as you can. And your fingernail on it. And you should have something that looks like this. Open it up and you will have an X in your paper. Then fold it so this side edge meets this other one. So you should have that. Then fold this edge meets this edge. And then after that you should have something that looks like a star in the middle of your paper. Just like that. Now we're going to fold these corners in to the centre in order to make the table. And then we're going to fold them in again, but we're going to unfold them. So now you should have something, once you've unfolded these, that looks like a different square sheet of paper but with some flaps. And then, what we're going to do, so we're going to open up these flaps, and then you'll see a horizontal line, and then you're going to fold on that, and then reverse fold on those on two diagonal lines, which you should see, like that. And once you've done, that's collapsing it, and you should have a little square kind of pocket down there. Do the same for the other four areas. So fold on that horizontal line, and then there are two other diagonal lines somewhere here. And just reverse fold on those and tuck any missing flaps in like that. Right, so then go on to the next one, horizontal, fold along the diagonal line, open up, tuck in the flap, so wait a minute. It's quite tricky, this bit, so if you do have any inquiries, leave them in the comments section below, and I'm sure I'll be able to get you a bit further. Oh, this is a hard model made. So if you've already finished, just skip forward a few bits because I've just got a bit tangled. And when you're completely finished on your table pop, you should have something that looks like this with these 4 trampoline bits in the middle. Now, you're each fine. Now we're going to do kite folds on each of them. So you're going to fold these bits into the centre, onto that centre line that we'll see in the middle. So do that for all of them and then unfold them. And then we're going to do the petal fold. No, I haven't done that fold right, have I? It doesn't matter if it's not that neat because it won't really make a difference in the model afterwards. Just make sure you fold it all correctly. That's the main point. And if it's just gets in a tangle, just leave any things in the comment section. So once you've done that, I do hope you take a lot more time than me. You should have something that looks like this. Then unfold them, and then we're going to do some petal folds. So open it up, pull it up, and you'll see these flaps start to tuck in. So just tuck both of those flaps in like that. And then fold it down, you should have something that looks like a kite, but we're going to keep the petal fold up so it looks slightly like a bird base, so you should have a point. I might actually test part of this as a shuriken. And then you're going to do that for the rest of them. So do that. Fold down, fold up. Keep it there. So now you should have something that looks like a spiky wheel by the end of it. So you should have shuriken kind thing. But now we're going to fold these bits backwards, and these are going to be the legs of the table, and the points of the petal folds should, if you're neat, meet the centre. If not, just make them meet. And then keep them at a 90-degree angle, and then you'll have your origami table. Mine looks very unneat, and I do hope you take a lot more care on it, and you can even place things on top of it, like mine will probably, this one will probably hold my mouse. No, it doesn't hold heavy objects, but definitely holds my pencil sharpener. Yep. And it holds my skull thing that I'm just made. So if I just rest that on my hand, you can lay some very lightweight stuff on it. Just experiment. You can even make up a paper man and get one of my origami cups and place it on the table. So enough of that now. Thanks for watching, and please rate, comment and subscribe.